Hello guys and welcome back to the video. In this video, I will show you how to restore deleted chats in the Grok app. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, go to the App Store, and in the search bar, type Grok. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version, because some features only appear after updating. Once the app is updated, open the Grok app. Then tap on the two white lines in the top left corner to open the menu. Next, tap on Settings. Scroll all the way down until you see Recently Deleted and tap on it. Here you can restore your deleted chats easily. And that's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Until next time, see you soon.